स्टूडेंट, क्लास 7 के लिए आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं यूनिट 2 हैंड्स ऑन कंप्यूटर्स। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 2.1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर यूटिलिटीज। Computers come with a variety of built-in utilities that help in performing everyday tasks. These utilities include programs like Paint, Calculator, Notepad, or Gadget, and various taskbar utilities. Understanding how to use these tools effectively can enhance productivity and make computer use more enjoyable and efficient. Using Paint. Paint is a simple graphic editor included with Windows operating system. It's a basic tool for creating, editing, and viewing images. Key features of Paint: drawing tools includes pencils, brushes, and shapes to create a drawing. Text tool: add text to your drawings. Erase tool: erase parts of your drawing. Fill tool: fill areas with color. Color picker: select colors from the palette or custom colors. Editing tool: resize, rotate, and flip images. Saving and exporting: save images in various formats like BMP, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Steps to use Paint: open Paint by searching for it in the start menu. Select a tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to draw or edit. Use the color palette to choose colors. Save your work by clicking on File, Save. Using Calculator. The Calculator app is used for performing mathematical calculations. It has different modes like standard, scientific, programmer, and date calculations. Modes of calculator: standard, basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Scientific, advanced function, trigonometric, logarithm, exponential. Programmer, binary, hexadecimal, and other number basic calculations. Date calculation, calculate the difference between dates. Steps to use calculator: open calculator by searching for it in the start menu. Choose the mode of you need from the menu. Enter number and operations using the on-screen keyboard or your keyboard. View result instantly on the screen. Next है using Notepad or Gadget. Notepad and Gadget are simple text editors used for creating and editing plain text files. Key features: text editing, type, edit, and save text. Search and replace, find and replace text within documents. Basic formatting, adjust font style and size, more advanced in Gadget. Saving files, save files with different extensions, .txt, .html, .css, etc. Steps to use Notepad or Gadget: open Notepad or Gadget from the start menu or application menu. Start typing your text. Use edit menu for search and replace option. Save your file by clicking on File, Save. Using taskbar utilities. The taskbar is a key features in Windows, allowing you to manage open applications, access system notifications, and control basic system functions. Key elements of the taskbar: start menu, access programs, settings, and files. Task view, manage and switch between open windows and virtual desktops. System tray, view notifications and access system settings, volume, network, battery. Quick launch, pin frequently used applications for quick access. Steps to use taskbar: click the start button to open the start menu. Use the search bar to find and launch applications. Right click on the taskbar to access task view and other settings. Use icons in the system tray to adjust volume, connect to Wi-Fi, check battery status, etc. Starting and shutting down the computer. Properly starting and shutting down your computer is crucial to maintain its health and performance. Starting the computer. Ensure the computer is plugged in or has sufficient battery. Press the power button. Wait for the operating system to load and log in with your credential. Shutting down the computer. Save all your work and close open applications. Click on the Start menu. Select Power, Shut down. Wait for the computer to power off completely before unplugging or closing the lid for laptop. Thank you.